Did you know that you can start investing on your phone with less than $1 and get incredible results? That's right! Today I'm going to show you 5 apps that can transform your finances and help you grow your wealth in 2025. And the best part? All of them are easy to use and have proven methods for making a profit. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you which one is the best and absolutely worth downloading right now. Let's start with Acorns. This app turns the simple habit of spending into an investment strategy. Every purchase you make is rounded up, and the spare change goes directly into a diversified portfolio. For example, if you buy something for $3.25, the app rounds it up to $4 and automatically invests the 75 cents. It works on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about deciding when to invest. The portfolios are made up of ETFs, which are safe and efficient options for growing your money. With just $5 you can get started. The average return for ETFs is between 7 and 10% per year over the long term. It's worth it, especially if you want to invest without complications and with consistency. Next on the list is Robinhood, which is perfect for those who want to buy stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies without paying any commissions. That's right, 0 commissions. It allows you to start with any amount, even less than $1, by purchasing fractional shares of major companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. It also offers real-time charts and market data, which are very helpful when making decisions. This app is amazing for those who want freedom of choice and full control over their investments. The return depends on the stocks you choose, so the potential here is higher, but the risks are as well. It's definitely worth it if you want to learn and start investing in big companies. Now let's talk about Stash. This app combines investing with financial education, helping you better understand the market while you invest. With just $1, you can invest in fractional shares, ETFs, and even themed funds like sustainable companies. Stash provides personalized recommendations based on your goals and practical tips to help you grow as an investor. It's an ideal app for beginners who want to learn while making their money work for them. The return may vary, but with discipline and consistency, the results are promising. And what if I told you that you could invest in real estate with less than $10? That's exactly what Fundrise offers. This app allows you to invest in large-scale commercial or residential real estate projects. Everything is managed by them, from selecting the properties to administration. The average annual returns range from 8 to 12%, which is excellent for beginners. This is a great option if you want to diversify your investments and have a more stable alternative to the stock market. To wrap up our list, we have Betterment, a robo-advisory app that does everything for you. It creates a personalized portfolio based on your financial goals and automatically invests in ETFs. The best part is that it adjusts and rebalances your portfolio as the market changes, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Just like Acorns, the ETFs here have an average return of 7 to 10% per year, depending on the strategy. It's ideal for those who want to invest without complications and with convenience. So, which of these apps caught your attention the most? With just a few dollars and the right tools, you can start your journey toward financial freedom in 2025. Remember, the secret to success lies in consistency. It doesn't matter if you start small. The important thing is to start. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any financial tips like this one. See you next time.